হ্যালো গুড পিপল, আমি আসি হচ্ছে এই মুহূর্তে কাসোল নামে একটা জায়গায়। কাসোল হচ্ছে হিমাচল প্রদেশের কুল্লু ডিস্ট্রিক্টের একটা জায়গা। কাসোল খুবই ফেমাস ফর ট্রেকিং অ্যান্ড ক্যাম্পিং। সো I will just walk into the Kasol's Hippie market. That's it. It's just a walking tour on a Kasol Hippie market. That's it. So let's see this market first.
Everything was fine. Breathing in the perfect air. Voices that can see, the voices that we need. Your last breath is coming soon. So statues all turn to dust. Lake Street did not burn in vain. No, now we are listening. Voices that can see, are voices that we need. As the statues all turn to dust, as the statues all turn to dust. Voices that can see, are voices that we need. As the statues all turn to dust, as the statues all turn to dust, as the statues all turn to dust, as the statues all turn to dust. Your time, it is gone. You no longer belong.
So that's it from Kasol's Hippie market. So it's a hippie street. You can buy hippie things and all kind of hippie clothes. So see you in the next video. Hope you all have a good day.